And Michael Kinay ang ating officials for this ball game. Ed Dakiwag with Joshua Montero. Karandang fires the three. Yes, sir! Mabula quickly to Ed Dakiwag. Dakiwag ginamitan ng konting pektos.
Kinailangan niya protektahan yung bola.
Celis fires and hits.
And that's one word that this player from Bulacan
Forced that one.
he did. He had an open guy, Celis, in the corner, which led to the easy two on the
1,000 rebound club.
Mike Mabula.
Yeah.
Nice pass.
Celis from the corner. That's good. Pangalawang tres ni Jason Celis.
To leave Celis for a second three.
And that's it. 1,000 rebounds para kay Michael Mabulak.
Yun lang, nabagsakan ng paa. And that's gonna be a...
Si Karandang. Steal by Mabulak.
Nice.
Michael Mabulak. 8 Picos. Jumper. Too strong. Hernandez with the rebound. Celis will fire. That's good. Tatlong tres na yan para kay Jason Celis. He's got corner three. Gabriel. Wala.
What a rebound.
Melencio too strong. And Michael Mabulak cleans it up. Shaq Taganas is in the game. Kasama si Vince Tolentino and Hesed Gabo. Taganas to Vince. And he scores. Tapos, Ganya is our reigning slam dunk champion, by the way, Christian Luanzon. Gabo for three, and he knocks it down. That's off the side of the board. Jumper, wala, and a putback from Nino Ibanez.
Oh, what a beautiful offensive rebound. And they're down by 7. Now, they start the second quarter up by 6.
Japs Bautista knocks down the three. Miligrito. Yes, Taganas. Miligrito. I love that move. No, kanina, ganda ng unang bitaw niya eh. Gabo lays it in for 2.
Kumapit pa yung sapat. Paulo Hubalde inserted back after a few minutes on the bench.
Hubalde.
Rejects.
What a move.
Yeah.
Papadali yung para sa kakampi niya. Bautista.
Kaya ang basketball si Del, as you see, the nice pass by Bautista.
Na, medyo nabigla ako doon
Walang hugot yan
ayan o. Hesed Gabo definitely not take. Celis.
Pull up.
Nice. Off the in and out dribble. JC Karandang is back in the ball game. Paulo nakawala. Paulo Hubalde. Basket and one.
As well, sa Gulf Coach Chris.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And you see it in Paulo Hubalde's routine. As Meneses puts it in for 2. Nandun yung bola. Here's Melencio. Meneses. Kumpiyansa na.
Yun. Yun, mas gusto pala niya yung...
They've been down for most of the first half. Naagaw ng Pangasinan. Villamor. Villonar. Easy 2. Turnovers. Oh, steal by Meneses. Will we see a dunk? Oh, layup lang.
So, kita mo rin respetong binibigay nila kay Paulo Hubalde. Every time he uses that screen, hard show sila, no? And ito, off the curl, Celis Smith open that. Obviously, mga prominent names in basketball. Obviously, Hubalde, di ba? Tapos, Calagio, kung di ako nagkakamali, taga dyan si Kuya Christian.
Yeah.
I'm offensive.
Jumper by Ibanez and he knocks it down.
Yeah.
Dati, hindi ko nakikita ano yan eh. Nasisira book ni Coach Christian eh.
Yun na doon na ako papunta Sinisira mo yung magandang...
Today, he had 26 points against Abra, 16 points against Valenzuela, but with 10 assists. Sabi ko, do you feel like if you went for the shots, you could have won that game?
Ibanez makes his move. Jumper is good para kay Nino Ibanez. Meron na siya.
The field goal.
Kurt
Nice
Calagio. Yes, sir!
Ayan yung nakuha niya sa tatay niya. Because he clarify.
Here's Nino. Celis again. Jason Celis. Ibaw ni Gabo. Nakiwag. Kurt for 3. Yes, sir! 5 straight points.
He played less than 3 minutes in that game. Ngayon, nabibigyan siya ng pagkakataon. Hindi niya naman pinapaya yung kanyang coach. At isang player na...
Here's the Kiwag. Drops Bautista, opens the corner. Too strong. Vince Tolentino with the offensive rebound. Rises and puts it in.
Always an right shoulder. It's like a layup already on that mini hook by Vince Tolentino.
Jumper drops. Japs. Bautista. To the corner. Ed. Another 3. That's good. Melencio.
He's gonna shoot this one. He
Finds-
should.
Finds the Kiwag. Yes, sir! Ed the Kiwag. 17 points. 19. Ibanez. Pretty spin.
A terrific individual.
Ubalde. Celis for 3. Yes. Oh, down. Ibanez. Hernandez puts it in. Vince. Robin drives. Floater is good.
Of rebounding the basketball, regardless of what number we see.
And they go to Baltasar. Peligrito asking for it. Osicos. Drive and the finish.
But what an effort by Meneses on the closeout. And he will finish on the other end.
Galing.
That's the play of the game.
Dives for the loose ball. Villamor. Meneses swings it over to Robin. Oh, nice shot.
Thing to me, I think if he could have like a breakout performance for them this year, this team can be scared.
To Villonar. Labas muna siya.
Because they got some vets, no, sa kupunan na to. Obviously, Villamor, Gabo, Mabulak, Dakiwag. You have Shaq Taganas, who's also a guy who can be productive. Minsan pagdating sa dulo,
Yung season natin, medyo mahaba. Ganya lays it in.
Ito, and congratulations to Pangasinan for their first win this season.